Just got an HP Laserjet 108W? Or maybe you changed your internet provider and now your printer is offline. In this video, I'll show you 2 simple ways to connect it to Wi-Fi. Let's get started. Make sure your printer is turned on and USB cable connected to printer from your laptop. Now, we need to put the printer into setup mode. Press and hold the wireless button for 5 seconds. Wi-Fi blue light will start flashing. Download printer software and driver. Now visit HP official website and download software for HP 108W printer. You will get HP Laserjet 108 series full software. Press download button to download software. Once software downloaded, run the software and follow the steps. Go to download folder and run HP Laserjet 108 printer software. Setup wizard will start. Press next button. In the next steps, accept installation agreements and settings. Check both box and press next button. Now, select printer connection type. Select wireless network connections and press next button. In the next steps, are you settings up your printer for the first time? Select yes, I will set up my printer wireless network and press next button. Now select using a USB cable and press next button. Make sure printer connected to laptop using USB. Select wireless network. Now from the all Wi-Fi network list, select your Wi-Fi name and press next button. In this step, provide Wi-Fi password and press next button. Type Wi-Fi key correctly to avoid failed connection. Wait about 30 seconds for the connection to complete. Wireless network setup complete. Now press next button and select software to install. Select all and press next button. Now wait until software installation complete. Software installation may take 3 to 4 minutes. Final steps you will get. Setup complete. If you want print a test page, select test print box and press finish button. Your printer will print a test page. That's it. You're now ready to print wirelessly from anywhere in the house. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more printer guides. Thanks for watching.